Hi, my name is Allison Bales with Energy Vanguard. I am going to show you something important today about bedrooms and heating and air systems. I'm standing here with a manometer in a bedroom with the bedroom door open. The air conditioning system is running right now. If you see up here, we've got an air conditioning vent, a supply vent pushing air into the bedroom, but the door is open. And that's the only way that the air has to get back to the central return for the system in this condo. So what I'm going to do now is look at what happens when we close the door. With the door open, you can see there's pretty much no pressure difference between the hall, where the end of the tube is that goes out into the hall, and the bedroom. But when I close the bedroom door, now the pressure goes up to 6.5, almost 7 pascals of pressure difference between the bedroom and the hall. That's because the air conditioning system is blowing air into this room, but there's no return in this room, so the air can't get out very easily. Here's the thing about this bedroom though. There is a way for the air to get out. I've installed these return air pathways in the bottoms of the bedroom doors, and for now I have it taped up. You can see with the return air pathway taped up, my pressure difference is 6.7, 6.5 pascals. Now let's see what happens to the pressure when I take the tape off of that return air pathway. Alright, I'm going to take the tape off now, and as I pull the tape off, see the pressure dropping, the pressure difference? So now instead of almost 7 pascals of pressure difference, I've only got about 1.5 to 2 pascals of pressure difference. That's a big difference. Still not zero, but with the door closed, that's pretty good.